Okay, guys, you all know I love V75, but this market has just been going down for months now. This is on the 4th of September. This was the last low it broke, it created, then it came down, it broke it again on the 25th, on the 29th of September. It did not end there. It came here and it created another low, and now another low. This was where I stopped. I gave up as of 29th of October. Now it has come to form a new low. You guys know I love to trade this guy, but I've not been seeing the signs, the flags that I need to trade it. So let's just quickly do an analysis. As you know, this is my 24 hours. I like to trade 24 hours. I like to start my analysis from the higher time frame. So as you know, this is 24 hours. What happened? I put my supports. This was my support. Yeah. So it hit my support. It came back right up. I thought this was going to create like a strong resistance, and it came here, it touched the resistance, it gave a fake out here, as you can see, came back, touched the support, hit the resistance, and what happened? It came all the way down. It broke this first low that we can see here. It broke it, came back, gave a push up, and once it comes like this, it is giving a continuation pattern. That means you should continue the sell. You get? So it got here, came down again, gave this another continuation. That's a break and a retest pattern, a break of the resistance, then a retest, and all the way to the downside. As you know, that's the strategy that I trade the most. So what are we looking at right now? What can we make of this? Well, if I were to trade this, but I'm not trading it because it's just going down the way gold was going some weeks back, last month, the way gold was doing some months back. So what I'm going to do is just come here and plot the new low that it created. I'm going to just do this again. So if you follow this, you can see that this is a clear downtrend. If you want to trade this, I'll tell you this is a clear downtrend, as you can see. So if you put your trend line just like so, you see what the market is doing. We are looking for another point to do what? To re-enter the market. Not so. So from this, judging from this, the market hits here, it hits here, it hits here. This is the third touch. Remember, we are dealing with a trend line. So what should we be looking at? We should be looking for a continuation pattern, right? That's if we're going to trade it, though, I will do something like this. I'll wait for the market to come all the way to this point, hit here, and continue all the way to the downside. That it has to break this place, right? It has to break here and give me something like a retest, just as it has been doing for the past trends. Give me a retest here and continue all the way to the downside. So that is what I will be looking for if I am going to trade it. But unfortunately, I'm not trading it. This is one of my favorite pair, but the stage at which it is right now, it is very dicey. It's a very dicey one. So if you are not skillful, I will beg you not to enter this kind of trade right now, right? Because the market can reverse at any point. The market can reverse. Let me just do my, so you can see this thing is so solid, man. It is so solid. So if it actually comes here, all we are looking at is for the market to come back up, give us like just a small reversal, come down, break this place, break this support that is standing on, give us a retest and go down all the way to the downside. If we are following structure, if we are following market, you can see that's what has been happening. When the market got here, it came back up. What happened? Came down and gave a break. a retest and continue all the way to the downside, right? And when it got here, what happened? It went back up again. It gave a push up, it hit the trend line, and what happened? It went all the way to the downside. It broke the next resistance. What happened? After breaking it, bam, all the way. So what are we looking for? We're waiting for it to come back here and give us a retest of this trend line to show that it's going to continue selling, sell down a bit, and give us a retest of this trend, of this resistance, and of this support rather, and continue all the way to the downside. So for those that are trading volatility 25 right now, the only thing you should be looking for is a sell. Although some people like to trade counter, some people like to counter trade, but I am not a counter trader. No, I trade with the trend. I do whatever the trend is doing, and wherever the trend says I should go is where I will go. Isn't it just beautiful? Like, this is just beautiful. It's so, like, it's so easy. You can see it. You just watch it play out. So let's see what V75 does in the next few days.